parents, you have two children who violated the rules, etc. The first one would say, Papa, Mama, kamali po ako. Alam ko hindi na po niya ako mahal. Sakit nun, no? But if the second child who also violated says, Papa, Mama, nagkamali po ako. Pero alam ko po, mahal pa rin niyo ako eh. I know you love me. What touches your heart is the one who says, I know you still love me. Let us not be dismayed with our weaknesses. We have a loving God. It is better to be presumptuous of God's love than to doubt God's love. Yung masasabi mo, Lord, alam ko po, mahal pa rin niyo ako. Pero yung mga iba, nagkasala sila, wala na, hindi na ako mahal ng Diyos. Yun, kayabangan po yun. Yung pong kakapalan ng mukha is humility to God. Lord, nakakahiya na po ako, but I believe that you still love me.